So we're seeing XRP price begin to heat up just a little bit this morning. And this is coming off of some exciting news that came yesterday that may indicate billions is prepping to flow into XRP in general. But that's not even the most exciting part about this. Where this gets exciting is this may mean that this ongoing litigation between Ripple and the SEC may be concluding a lot sooner than people realize. We're going to talk about that in this video. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell. Again, it's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So yes, XRP has been doing some very exciting things. And I have to say, I love when the charts play out exactly how you hope and exactly how you expect. We talked about this $2.30 to $2.40 range for XRP being a great foundation of support. And it actually has been just perfect. We have tested this multiple times. We have bounced and bounced and bounced. And now XRP is starting to separate itself from those ranges. We're all the way up at about $2.70 at the time of filming this video. We actually got all the way up almost to $2.80 earlier on today. We're dealing with a little bit of a sell-off in the market, a little bit of profit taking. That's not surprising, but US-based crypto in general right now is starting to go on a little bit of a run after this period of just blah, right? We are starting to see the bulls begin to take over in terms of XRP. We have crossed, obviously, our signal line on the RSI. That happened a few days ago, and now we are actually starting to get our bullish cross on the MACD here as well, signifying we may have positive momentum starting to carry us back above that $3 range. Now, this isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that. And understand that we're doing this outside of BTC. BTC is kind of blah. So it's great to see alts just heating up in general. But where things are starting to get exciting in terms of XRP is this potential of $1 billion or billions of dollars flowing into XRP, but also the conclusion of the Ripple v. SEC case. Now, what happened yesterday was the SEC actually acknowledged this XRP spot ETF filing. Now, why this is in fact so important is in the past, when there has been questions about the underlying asset, about whether it's an unregistered security or not, the SEC has just flat out basically rejected these filings. We saw that with Solana, and this has been the case for a while, even as they were pushing back on spot Bitcoin ETFs, spot Ethereum ETFs. So this is actually a little bit different of an embrace as to than what we've been seeing in the past. They acknowledge the XRP spot ETF. They acknowledge the Dogecoin spot ETF. They have not acknowledged the ADA one yet, which I talk about that in a later video, but that will likely be coming soon here as well. So they're actually changing the way that they are, in fact, approaching these. Now, why this is in fact so important is they have now, 240 days, I believe, to approve or reject this. And this may actually fast track billions of dollars flowing into XRP. And what it also means is that the conclusion of this Ripple v. SEC case may be happening sooner than people realize. Why I'm saying that is, again, if there is any questions or if there is this mindset that the underlying asset is an unregistered security, they're not going to approve the spot ETF product. It's looking like that is changing in a big, big way now. All right. So this sends a message to the industry. This sends a message that we are getting a lot more clarity and transparency moving forward. And they are taking this path more towards approach rather than pushback and regulation by enforcement. So this is a big sign. This is exactly why we're starting to see XRP do what it does here. In fact, we look at the hourly candles here, guys, look at right here. This is about the time we started getting the news. And then just look what happened here. About 1 a.m. overseas money. Notice what happened. Boom. We shot up in terms of price. Now, that being said, understand that some of this may not have an impact immediately. Yes, there is a lot of, there's some FOMO setting in right now. There's some speculation that is coming about. Bulls are starting to take back over in terms of the charts. And what we really need here is this to turn into that moment where the market starts seeing some of that adoption that we normally see, where we start to see some of those outside, some of that outside capital begin to flow into the market. That is where we're at right now. We need the next leg in the market. We need this to take place. This is how we continue, and we don't just basically squander all this momentum that we're starting to build back up here. So I just want to share that with you guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts here. When do you think this approval takes place? When do you think this conclusion of the Ripple v. SEC case happens? I did a good video talking about this as potential timelines. We obviously know that we're still waiting for the commissioner to get approved, or the SEC chair to get approved. That may happen sometime in March or April if history holds true. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.